Having Pectus Excavatum can sometimes actually be a good thing. It was actually a blessing for me, and I know, having coached hundreds of people to successfully overcome their pectus, it actually has been a good thing for them as well, in the fact that it actually makes their physique and their chest look better and more 3D, and actually gives it an illusion that you've got more size in your chest. Pectus varies, okay? So this is more guided towards mild cases of pectus. If you have a mild case of pectus, it actually can be a really good thing as long as you dedicate yourself to building muscle, getting a really aesthetic physique and building your chest. It actually will make your chest look better and your physique look better. I just got this Instagram comment today and it summarizes it perfectly. The comment says, "2BH, your pectus actually helps create a more dimensional chest as the middle point is deep. Once you built the pectorals around it, it looks so good, phenomenal." And that's exactly right. I know this firsthand because I experimented with the vacuum bell a few years back. Now, my transformation was not with the vacuum bell. I have no actual lift of my chest. You know, it's the same depth as it ever was. I've just built muscle around it to make it like hardly noticeable and improve my posture and the way I hold myself. But I did experiment with the vacuum bell and it did not create a permanent change, but when it acutely lifted my chest, I noticed that my physique looked worse and I really didn't like it. And the reason is it took away the depth of my pectus, which actually made my chest look smaller and gave it less definition and made it less 3D in a sense. And that just showed me that, wow, like actually having pectus for me, having a mild pectus, something that made me so depressed and insecure as a kid, I hated it, was actually a good thing now that I've built my body around it. And so if you have a mild case, I really hope this motivates you to get into the gym, because you can do so good with your body and you can have such an amazing physique. And if you don't take it from me, just look at my client results. You know, I've helped thousands of people and it is proof. And in the milder cases, you can really see how exceptional and how much building muscle can make it hardly noticeable. Now, if you have a severe case, obviously it's probably not a good thing, and pectus can impact your health. It can create heart and lung problems, and really it is a serious deformity in a lot of cases. So it is worth getting it checked out. But even with like a more severe case, you know, you can still improve it a lot with exercise. Now, when I say improve it a lot with exercise, it's not just like some standard exercise. It needs to be a full-on program, you know, training properly, progressive overload, targeting key areas for pectus, stretching, eating, and having a nutrition strategy that will facilitate lean muscle growth. It needs to be tailored to pectus, and it needs to be comprehensive and thorough and really part of your lifestyle if you want to get a good result, because we're not just trying to build a couple kilos of muscle. We're trying to build basically your best body in a very aesthetic physique. That's what's going to do it. That's what's going to make the pectus look better. And I can do that for you. So if you are interested, you should go to my website, book a strategy call with me so I can meet you, determine the program and plan that you would need for your pectus, because every case differs and so does the program for the individual, their case and their circumstances. And then we can get things started. So I look forward to meeting you soon on the call. And thanks so much for watching.